If I learned these tips sooner, I probably would have been monetized a lot faster. But what did my first year of being monetized on YouTube teach me? In this video, I'm going to show you the growth I experienced on my channel in this past year, tell you some things that I learned along the way, and show you how much money YouTube paid me after 1 year of being monetized. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. And this is the overview of my channel. Oh, and a side note, I woke up this morning to 15,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I am so grateful that I am here. This just keeps growing and it's amazing what YouTube has done for my business. So in the past year since being monetized, I've had almost 1 million views, 33 watch time hours, 12.9 thousand subscribers, and $8,403 made just off YouTube AdSense. I want to show you a few things that I learned this past year. First of all, you can see here that I was adding 2 videos every once in a while until here where I increased it to 3 to 4 videos. And you can see when I was adding 2 videos a week, my views actually went down and my channel suffered for it. It wasn't until I went back to adding just 1 video a week did my channel start to grow again. Which brings me to lesson number 1. 1 video a week is enough. I had other YouTubers say that 2 videos is where they saw big growth, so I decided to test it, and I wanted to test it for 3 months to give it time to see if it actually worked for me. And what I found is that I was tired. I found that I didn't enjoy the process as much and YouTube started wearing me out. So I decided, okay, well, let's go back to 1 video a week. And it worked. So not necessarily does creating more videos actually help you grow your channel. Be consistent. Do something that you can actually put the time in. Because if you're getting too tired creating multiple videos, it's going to show in your videos. Creating quality over quantity is often best. So the videos that performed best for me was how to make Instagram Reels with pictures and how to make Reels with existing footage. So basically just adding footage from your phone to Instagram Reels. Those were my top 2 created videos, and then I also did really well with how to record yourself on Zoom. So I created videos on similar topics hoping that they would do well. And I thought just because I'm ranking well on 1 video means that if I create another video on the topic, I'm going to rank well as well. That wasn't what happened. I only found that with some of the videos that I would continue to rank well. So if I made videos about adding photos to Reels, yes, I did well on those. However, I made a whole series of Zoom videos and they did not perform well. So it's a matter of testing it out and seeing what's going to perform well for you. If you look at my last 28 days, you can see that my top videos now are how to add photo videos in Reels, Reels with multiple pictures. So you can see these videos kept performing well with the existing footage, but none of my Zoom videos appear here, even though I did create more Zoom videos this year. So really just testing out which topics perform best for your channel. It's not a guarantee that because one performs well, another will. Just keep testing it and see what works for you and really double down on that because you will see best results if you create similar content to that what people want to watch from your channel. Okay, so these are the results of what I had the last year after being monetized. But what happened the year previous? Because I was creating content for almost 1.5 years before I got monetized. So you can see here, my channel performed worse my first year. So I didn't really see much growth on my channel until about here, which is May. That's 1 year and 2 months into creating content. If you're just starting to create content and you're not seeing much results, it's just because you need more time to figure it out. Some people do have their channels blow up overnight, but that isn't the norm. The norm is having your channel grow because of consistency. So if you keep showing up and keep looking at your stats, your channel will grow, but it will take time. So you can see all I had here was my basic 4,000 watch time hours and over my 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. But then once I got monetized, that is when my channel started to snowball. Some of my older videos started to keep ranking well, and my videos still continue to perform well for me. Overall, my channel isn't a big channel. It's still a relatively small channel with only 15,000 subscribers. However, in this next year, I do know it is going to continue to grow. I'm going to keep creating content, both original content and looking at my data to see what is performing well for me so I can create more videos like that so that I can continuously grow my channel. I think the thing about YouTube, people think that once you start performing well on YouTube that you have it all figured out, but that is not the case. You need to consistently try to post content, come out with new things, try new things, because YouTube is constantly changing, your channel is constantly changing, and if you're not going to pay attention to your analytics and continue to grow with your channel is just going to die. So for a small channel, to get $8,403 just from people watching my videos is amazing. This is incredible because my YouTube videos attract people to my brand, which sell more of my courses, which get people to hire me, which grows my business, and I'm not spending any money towards ads. Instead, YouTube is paying me for ads. So if you're ready to really grow your business, share your knowledge, then starting a YouTube channel is exactly what you need to do to grow that business and to take your marketing to the next step. Are you ready to start your own YouTube channel? But where do you start? Check out this video where I share how I got started and my first 2 years on YouTube.